Hello, I'm Butter from DbGate team, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use DbGate to create nice and information-rich charts. I'll assume you're already connected to a database in DbGate and that you know how to run an SQL query or use the query designer to obtain data from your tables. If you don't have a database handy, you can try the sample database available in the DbGate online demo, link in the description. For this demo, I'll be using table Invoice from the sample database Chinook. DbGate has an automatic graph detection. Sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty easy. If I run this query, for example, by the way, all the queries I will run today are in the video description, so you can easily copy them and try them yourself. Anyway, if I run this query and go to open chart, we will see that the DbGate has detected two possible charts. I can now choose which one I want. DbGate can detect up to 6 possible charts. Pro tip, auto detection looks for all possible combinations of charts and some of them don't make much sense. To avoid this, use columns you know you will need for your charts. This way, most of the charts DbGate detects will make at least some sense. Let's begin with charts customization. After clicking on one of the detected charts, you can click on Customize and edit your chart. Here are all the customization options. DbGate has 5 types of charts: bar chart, a line chart, a timeline chart. It's a special case of line chart with time on x-axis, a pie chart, and the polar area chart. You can edit what's on your x-axis. A grouping field. Grouping is a powerful charting feature. I will explain it later. Here you can edit what's on your y-axis. You can have more fields on your y-axis, which will show you more datasets. Aggregate functions: sum, average, minimum, maximum, first value, and for the last value. There is a special field available for each dataset called count, which counts all your rows. Configuration of charts is stored to the query in the beginning of the SQL file, so executing the same query will give you the same graph. If you're on another level, you can edit charts configurations directly in YAML format, if you want to. And the long-awaited grouping. Grouping can be used if you need to display more charts from one dataset. For example, I would like to display a total invoicing by year, grouped by country. Click on the chart Total by InvoiceDate, grouped by country, and you will see something like this, which does not look very usable. But when you change a chart type to a bar chart and the x-axis transform to date by a year, a chart will look much better now. As you can see, grouping by date can be done in Charting Engine and it's not necessary to do this in SQL. However, for bigger results, grouping made natively by SQL will be more effective, because this will be done directly on the database server. Group number is limited to 32. It doesn't make sense to have bigger number of lines/bars in one chart. If this limit is exceeded, chart will not be displayed. After you have your graph of your dreams, you can export it by right-clicking on the graph and selecting Export. Graph will be exported in HTML format with all its features. So hopefully now you know how to use charts in DbGate. Let me know if I missed anything down in the comments or in the X topic in the description. Till the next DbGate video, bye!